in Tori's room. The starting of our the end. So yeah, I'm just hanging out at Tori's room. So Hank. There's your stereo. Yep. So there's her playroom. PlayStation 2, and that's her curtains. Cute.
Red light's still on. What's that do? Huh?
Just focus.
That thing down there. What's that stuff at the top? The focus.
What? No, yeah, this is the zoom.
And what's that down there? What's it doing? Huh?
It's a focus.
That's focus too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Put it on camera. Turn standby out. Press start stop. The camera starts recording. That's on.
Oh, you don't have to hold your finger on the thing. Oh, okay, yeah.
It's for tripod. Huh? Where's the start stop button?
The red button on standby if you want to start it.
So that's all I gotta do. After you get it on, stop. Just start, stop again. Turn standby down and turn the power to off. Then eject the cassette and remove the battery pack. Oh, why you gotta do all that? Huh?
I don't know.
Gotta freaking take that out. To focus the viewfinder lens, if you cannot see the indicators in the viewfinder clearly, or after someone else has used the camcorder, focus the viewfinder lens. When using a monochrome viewfinder, turn the viewfinder lens adjustment ring so that the indicators in the viewfinder come into sharp focus. When using a color viewfinder, move the viewfinder lens adjustment lever so that the indicators in the viewfinder come into sharp focus. I think we have a color viewfinder, don't we?
Yes, we do.
Are you able to get it into focus?
Hmm?
Huh?
What?
Are you able to get it into focus so you can see it?
Mm-hmm.
Sharp. If you leave the camcorder in standby mode for 5 minutes while the cassette is inserted, the camcorder turns off automatically. This stops it from wearing out the battery and wearing out the tape. To resume standby mode, turn standby down once and turn it up again to start recording. Press start to stop. When you record from the beginning of a tape, run the tape for about 15 seconds before starting the actual recording. This will ensure that you won't miss any startup scenes.
What'd you say?
When you were starting something, run the tape for 15 seconds. Like if some special event starts, don't make sure you start recording. Just like a cassette player, you know what I mean? At the beginning, there's 15 seconds where no sound. If you record tapes in SP, this will ensure you won't miss any startup scenes when you play back the tape. You can record tapes in SP mode only. The tape counter indicates the recording or playback time.